Hi guys, welcome to Sunday Fitness with Kriti. Today I am showing you all 4 exercises that you all can do, actually 5 exercises that you all can do to get your splits. They are fairly simple, but you need to be extremely regular with them. You need to do them on a daily basis, and that's when you'll actually be able to get your splits. The first thing we need to do is wear our socks, because socks just make everything easier when it comes to getting splits. Now go onto your yoga mat and just be comfortable over there. Your first move is the lower leg lunges. So you get into a lunge position and keep pulsing over there for some time. Try and count maybe 10 and do 10 pulses over there. Make sure that you're trying to make your thigh reach the ground so your pulses are properly done. Now shift to the other leg. Ensure that the knee is not crossing the toes and keep pulsing it down. Try and push your thighs to the floor. Your second move is getting into a half split. So ensure that your toes are fully flexed and try moving your head down and touch it to the knee. If you can't touch it to the knee, it's absolutely alright. That is just an aim that you should be keeping in your mind. Stay there for a few seconds. Again, you can count 10 seconds and just be there. Do the same with the next leg. Push it out. Make sure the other knee is on the ground. Flex your foot and start moving down and try and touch your head to your knee. Stay there for a few seconds. And come out of it. Your third move is going into a lunge as long as pulling your quads. So what you do is go into a lunge position and start pulling your foot and put towards your bum. Make sure that your thigh is trying to touch the floor. It doesn't necessarily have to go fully there, but just try. That's your aim. And stay there for a few seconds. Make sure that your knees are parallel with your toes and not crossing them. Do the same with the other leg. First go into a lunge position, then pull your feet towards your bum and just try and lunge there and be there for a few seconds. Again, it's okay if your thigh is not touching the floor and if your foot is not touching your bum, but that's your aim. Your fourth move is your forward bend. So you put your hands up and start holding your foot from the outside and start aiming to move your head towards the knee. That's your aim. Again, it does not necessarily have to touch, but that's just your aim. This gives a really good hamstring stretch, and be there for a few seconds, 10 seconds ideally or more. And then come out of it. Now is when the fun begins. Move out your mat and we go into a split. So start moving your front leg in the front and start pushing your back leg behind. Make sure that your leg is flexed and keep pushing yourself down as much as you can. You need to put a little pressure on yourself over here and commit yourself to just keep pushing yourself down. Like you can see, even mine does not go completely down, but try and touch your calf to the floor, because that's when you actually feel the pressure of it moving down. Once you're done with one side, start doing it on the other side. The same way, push your front leg in the front and back leg behind and try and get into your maximum split. Stay there for some time, for at least 10 to 20 seconds on each side. Ideally it would be more, but to start with, this is good. You stay there, keep pushing yourself. And then you slowly come out of it. To finish off, just shake your legs a little bit. Move towards the forward bend and come out of it. And yeah, you are done. Practice this on a daily basis, guys, and you'll be really happy with it.